Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Elite Series 74 Goldberg, a ruthless aggression version of Goldberg. Side of the packaging, it's the back of the packaging. Says Goldberg is from Atlanta, Georgia, weight 285 pounds, 6'4", Universal Champion, World Heavyweight Champion, WWE Hall of Fame inductee. From 2003 to 2004, the man known as Goldberg ran roughshod over the superstars of WWE with one question in mind: who's next? Alright, here's Goldberg out of the packaging. Of course, it comes with interchangeable gloved MMA hands for Bill Goldberg. Of course, this is Goldberg's World Heavyweight title. Alright, and here is Bill Goldberg out of the packaging, and he's got the new this tattoo right here, as well as the famous tribal tattoo he has. It's really good. Goldberg from around this time period, 2003, 2004 or so. Alright everybody, here is Bill Goldberg fully posed and out of the packaging with the World Heavyweight title. It's a great ruthless aggression era Bill Goldberg. Alright, here is Bill Goldberg posed with an Elite Rock figure. Alright everyone, and here is Goldberg next to an Elite Triple H figure. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of this Elite Goldberg figure. It's him posed next to Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you all later. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing. Yeah, I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I'll see you all later. Thank you so much.